Without a doubt, this might just be the coolest dual battery electric bike I have ever reviewed. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another review. This time it is the Luckeep X1 Pro. And like we always do, we are going to unbox it, we'll assemble it, we'll take it for a ride, and then we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function and get ready because this is a beautiful e-bike. What was supposed to be 10 minutes is now, I would say, a good hour and a half. I put together much easier bikes. Let's just put it that way. This, I had to end up actually bending because the way they have this bent, it was rubbing on the tire and there's no way that that would fit. So I had to actually bend this and then I had to bend this part myself. And this was a lot of fun right in here putting this together. Battery had to come out, which gave you a little extra room right there. You have to put the battery inside here, so you have two batteries, which is really, really cool. And I was really worried about the clearance on the front fender right here. And it looks to me kind of weird how this is so tall and this is so close to the tire, but that's the best I could do because you've got the bracket there for your headlight and the headlight needs to be pointing up like so. All right, so forget about that. Here's what you get in your box. You get your battery charger, you get this tool that is really not even a tool. Okay, this bent immediately when I was trying to tighten these nuts right here. So this was no good. I had to bring in my own 15 millimeter. You get your owner's manual, 2 keys, and this is kind of a cool toolkit right here. And I think you get some tire repair stuff, just in case you get a flat tire. Is it? Oh, come on, Mike. This has just been it's been a day. Yeah, it is. It's a patch repair kit right there. So that's what you get. Forget about that too. Look at the bike. It's gorgeous. I mean, it is really a good looking bike. I love the tires, the silver, the real leather saddle right here, grips on the handlebar. This is fantastic, okay? So I'm gonna spend some time on this. We'll come back and I'll tell you about the features, then I'll take you guys on a ride with me. But oh, yeah, this was not 10 minutes to put together. This was way longer. I love my Luckeep. Let's talk features of the Luckeep X1 Pro. We have a 750 watt motor with a 1400 watt peak power right there. That's huge. That's a huge difference. You get a 32 mile per hour top speed. You have a 48 volt battery, but you get two actually. There's that one, and there's the one inside here. So you have 2 batteries that will provide you with up to 120 miles of range right there. As you can see, and as we talked about, there are lights on the front and the back. The frame itself, which I love the color, it's the only color you can get. The frame itself is a magnesium alloy frame, which means there's a 78% increase in rigidity right here. This is going to be such a solid and smooth ride. It really, really is. The bike itself weighs 81 pounds. It will carry 440 pounds. And like you get with most bikes, these are 180 millimeter rotors, hydraulic brakes right here, and you get the Shimano tried and true gear system. There are 7 gears right there. And once again, here, let's take a look at the LCD screen, which I think is nice. Can you see that? I like the colors. It's very crisp. It is sharp. It is clear. And we're going to have a lot of fun riding this bike. And if I remember right, there is a port right here. You can charge your phone. Yep, this will charge your phone as you're going to work or to school. All right, the sun is setting. Let's get this X1 Pro out on the road. Before we get on the road, can we just talk tires for a minute? I got to tell you, one of the reasons I wanted to try this bike is the tires right here. That is amazing. I just think it's the coolest looking bike ever. It's not a white wall, it's that tan, and it just pops. I mean, it's different, it's fun, it's sporty, it goes with the leather right here, and of course it goes with the silver. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, enough talking. Let's get to riding, because this is what we do best. All right. Get the seat in the correct position. Can you guys see? I want to make sure that you are set just like I am. This is a short. Seems like a shortish handlebar. We have our power pedal assist right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go down to 3. Shimano gear speed right here. Front and rear brakes, and our throttle is right. Oh, well, all right. She wants to go, so a going we shall. We have the front fork suspension, little tires. Okay, well, here we go. First off, right off the bat, I like to stand up. And you know what? See what I'm doing? I'm bouncing because there is a shock under my rear end. So the seat gives, which means it's a dual suspension. Not quite like the pivot point where the whole back half of the bike will go up and down. It's just the seat, the saddle, which is nice. There's the traditional hum from the motor. You get used to that after a while. It's not loud, it doesn't destroy the riding experience. Something is kind of rattling right up the top, and you can hear the brakes. This is the road where we test the suspension. It is in terrible shape. I have speed bumps, I have divots, I have potholes, I have cracks and creases in the road. And I love it just because of that. It gives me a great feel for how the bike absorbs shock. And this is absorbing the shock. It's not the most comfortable, but I can feel the under my rear end, I can feel that giving and moving up and down a little bit. I can feel the front forks working. I don't know what that one rattle is. Not a big deal. Okay, so that was definitely a passing grade. So this is my fun hill. We're going up to pedal assist 5, and it's all bike. I get to relax. The bike has to work, and the bike has to impress me, because this is a very sharp hill. It's not very smooth. So this is 15.5, 15.2, 14.9. Come on, bike, let's go. 14.2, 14.1, 13.9. I think she's going to do fine. Anything above 12 is a passing grade. 13.8, 13.6. Here we go. Now she'll start picking up speed. Still at 13.6. Come on, bike. I said you'd start picking up speed. Here we go. 13.9, 14, 15, 16. All out now. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 24.8 before I had to shut it down. Okay, so that's your 25 miles an hour. I felt like she could go a little faster too. I was not pedaling at all during that whole thing. Oh, I'm liking this. All right, let's kind of, so that sensor is very, very sensitive. Let's try these shifts. Oh. Here we go. She likes to help you out. I will say that. On Pedal Assist 5, she likes to really help you out. So if you're just not anticipating a little burst of power, you got to get ready for it. You got to always be mindful of that. But there's a red bird. That's good luck. Okay. It's a perfect day for a bike ride out here. It really is. So, yeah, she does like to go. Whoa, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 32. Well, 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 my little girl. 30. There's an example of how steady this is. Okay, I just got on this bike and I already feel comfortable enough to take my hands off the handlebars. 34 miles an hour. And with a range of 120 miles? Heck yeah. And you're gonna look so good on this bike, I guarantee you. With wheels like that and the color and the little pops of leather. Whoa. Okay, let's do the little twisty turn test here. Oh, she likes to go. We had horses growing up. Not a lot, we had 2 Arabian horses, and I used to go ride them. And you can just tell when a horse likes to go. We had one that did. Rally, we called him Rally. It was a gelding, Rally Raff. It was an Arabian horse, and he just loved to go. Like this bike, this X1 Pro. I'm making up rhymes here, so. Oh, this is nice. Okay, now with this, which I think is very, very cool, you can get saddlebags and you can get baskets for the front and the back. So if you want to do some food delivery, you want to take this to school, put your books, your laptop in the front or the back, you can certainly do that. And with the range of this bike right here, you're never going to get stranded. 120 miles. 2 batteries and torque out the wazoo. Yeah. All right, let's get her home and we're going to grade her on fit, form, and function. I can tell you, I think she's going to do very well. Before we grade this bike, let's go ahead and point out one particular feature. It folds and there's a little roller right here. Instead of a bar that the bike will sit on, there's a roller, so you can kind of roll this around wherever you want it to go. So to fold this, I would do handlebar first, fold it down just like this. Okay, you have a locking mechanism right here that you just open up. You fold the bike here, put your kickstand up, fold it in just like this. And the bike is literally gonna sit just like this. Somehow it sits. The roller is nice, but it doesn't hold the bike up. So anyway, that's how it goes together. And as you can see, you can roll it around. Let's go ahead and grade the bike on fit, form, and function. Have a little neighborhood gathering right there, so I'm being quiet not to interrupt them. Let's talk about the Pro right here. This is a beautiful bike, fit the way it came out of the box. I wasn't anticipating so much work on this part of the bike, all right? It's supposed to be 10 minutes. It wasn't, it was longer. It just took it all out of me. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a B for fit. Form though, the way the bike looks, I think it's a fantastic looking bike. The wheels are incredible right here. This is gorgeous. I mean, the silver, the black here, you've got the tan, you have a leather saddle right here, and then leather grips, which it's fantastic. So we're going to give it an A+ on form. Function, well, 120 miles of range. Top speed in the 30s. I had it going 34 miles an hour. 2 batteries, headlights, tail lights, everything you could ever want. You can charge your phone, and just so much fun. Plus, you can add those baskets if you want baskets. So function, of course, we're gonna give it an A+. Overall, we're gonna give this an A. You knew that was coming, didn't you? Yeah, we're giving this an A. The price, $16.99. They've got it marked down to $13.99. I'll see what I can do on the price, maybe get you a little discount code for that. But yes, the Luckeep X1 Pro is a very, very cool bike. So I highly recommend it. We're gonna have a link down below so you can go check it out for yourself. All right, folks, thanks for watching. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.